Hello, my name is Ben Chapman, and welcome to my Toolbox series. What I'm trying to accomplish here is to create a plugin for Unreal 5 that we'll be able to use in prototyping our games. So the objectives for this are to create a reusable plugin that we can use in prototyping our games. And we also want to maintain a clear delineation between our prototyping content and our production content. This will give us the ability to just yank it back out when we're done with it. And then also to save project time. So instead of having to create, our prototyping tools every time that we start a project, we can just dump it into the project and go get to work. And then also, obviously, to create some simple prototyping content to go into our toolbox. So I've got some planned tutorials here. Obviously, the first one is going to be creating a UE5 plugin and basically setting up the framework for the toolbox. And then after that, we're going to make some gray box materials that we can then use throughout our prototyping. One of the materials that I tend to like when I'm prototyping is having a RGB 3-color vertex material that can take the vertex colors of a mesh coming in and then translate that into whatever color I want to use for the gray box. I find that kind of nice having that in some of my early prototyping. And then also, I'm going to create a grid box material using Substance. This will be different than my other grid box material tutorial. Uh, I don't want to have a plugin referencing a plugin, so it'll be just straight creating the textures. I'll be doing that in Substance, but you could also do the same thing through another program such as like Adobe or whatnots. And then I'm also going to create a human reference using the Unreal Mannequin. So what we'll do in that is we'll export the Unreal Mannequin in a couple of different poses to get us like kind of some size references for like standing up, putting our arms out, crouching, prone, that sort of thing. And then as time goes on, I intend to add additional tutorials to this series as I, pick up extra things that I kind of like want to have in my toolbox. I'll just share that as well. So if that interests you, feel free to continue along with the series, and I look forward to getting this out there.